Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift card on Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is you have to open your Epic Game Store. Now you can open the store in your both browser and Epic Game application. Now once you have opened the store, the next thing that you have to do is you have to buy some V-Bucks because V-Bucks is the currency used in Fortnite. So just simply search for V-Bucks, then just simply click on view more. Now, right over here, just simply choose the amount that you want to buy. You can also buy different in-game currencies as well, as you can see right over here. So in this case, I'm going to show you for V-Bucks, which is used for Fortnite. So just simply choose your V-Buck that you want to buy. And after that, just simply wait for a few seconds. And then click on buy now right over here. And now, right over here, you will have the option to add the funds. So click on this wallet option. Then just simply choose add funds to wallet. Now, just simply choose the amount that is required and then choose this card option. And now just simply enter the card details right over here and then complete the process. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.